Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to write code in Cursor AI. So let's get straight into it. First, obviously, you need to open up the Cursor AI. Start typing a variable name, function signature, or comment line describing what you want to write. Look ahead for gray italicization text appearing on your screen. This is basically Cursor real-time suggestion. So that you will see that, let's head over and give an example test. So we will create a new file in Cursor, and then we will start with the instructions. So let's give it a try. So to create a new file, let's go like that. We will open workspace here, set up workspace, then add folder, and let's find it right over here. Select folder. All right. Now what we are going to do is basically what we can do. Let's make it this way. Create a new file and type in right here and name it like that. Okay, in this exact new in this prompt, what we will gonna do is also input our instructions. So let's create a function called calculate total price that takes price and tax rate as inputs and return the final price at a default tax rate of 5%. And yeah, as I mentioned before, you will see that this Cursor real-time suggestion right here at the bottom, it will take a few moments that it processed everything. So we will need to wait and we will see what will happen. And as you can see now, right over here, we got an example. So calculate total price 100 is 105. And if we do 110 is 110. So for example, if we put in this one right here, we need to get the output of 220 if it's everything correct. So let's wait a few moments and we will see what will happen. As you can see, now it's running our code. And now, as you can see, we got exactly the correct output, 220. So this is how we can write a code in Cursor AI. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.